So fine, we can start now. Last time, homework, I think we said we'll discuss the homework, right? So I'll just open the chapter. Before that, let me present entire screen share. Okay, screen share झालाय. My whiteboard needs to be opened. Okay. Materials we use. This was it. Write the answers to the following questions in your words. Correct. So, yeah. I think this we had done. Na? Difference was remaining atoms, molecules, separation by distillation and by separating funnel. I think these two questions were remaining. Atoms and molecules. Or shall we go to question number 6? How was it? काय आपलं ठरलं होतं? Does anybody remember?
Ma'am,
Huh? Tell me.
we need to do the atoms and molecules and then the last two differences and then continue with 6.
Who wants to tell about atoms and molecules?
Teacher, I
Okay, chalo. You start with 1 point between atom and molecules. Tell.
atoms are the fundamental part of the element.
Huh?
Molecules are chemical composition of four more atoms.
Anybody else has any other this point to this?
Miss, I
Yeah, tell me. Nidhi, tell me. Yes, Nidhi, unmute yourself. You can talk. Hello.
Teacher,
Huh?
I have one another point. Can I tell?
Yeah, you can tell, but she wanted to tell Nidhi. Okay, you tell then, Mansi.
The smallest invisible part is called atom. The smallest particles of the substance is called molecule.
Very good. Smallest indivisible, huh? Indivisible. Okay,
Sorry.
Ma'am,
fine.
can I tell one more point?
Miss, I can tell.
Let Nidhi tell Saili, then I can come to you. Yeah, Nidhi, tell me.
An
Tell us.
atom is not stable by itself.
Huh?
Molecule is only stable to exist by itself.
Okay, but it is not always correct with all atoms. Huh? The noble metal atoms are stable, but the other atoms are not. So we can include that point. Good. Now, Saili, yeah, Gaurav also has 1 point, but Gaurav, just give me a chance. Let Saili tell. Yeah, tell Saili.
Yes, miss. The atoms are bounded together in one molecule and molecule. When similar molecules combine together in any number, a simple product is formed.
Okay, very good. Fine. Now, Gaurav, you can go ahead. Yeah,
Yes,
Gaurav.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, atoms they do not break up during chemical reaction. Molecules they break up during reactions. Atoms they may or may not exist in free state. Molecules they exist in free forms.
Very good. So, which Nidhi said you had just made that point properly. Okay, good. May or may not was very important. I'm happy. Yeah, Nidhi, you have an example. Go ahead, tell us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. Molecule example. Water molecule
What about atom?
Miss, can I tell?
Let us ask if she's completed, then you can tell. Okay, I think she's done. Nidhi, you're done, right? Let Mansi tell the example, or you know
Yes.
the.
Can I tell?
Tell.
Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen.
Very good. For everything, these are the atoms. When they combine together, they'll form the molecules. Very good. Now let us go to.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
Miss, can I tell? I wanted to tell the difference between separation or distillation and separation by funnel.
You want to tell? Okay, go ahead. Fine.
Miss,
But
I have two
just
differences.
one moment, one moment. Why only 8 students are there? बाकी जणांना जमलं नाही का? शाळा आहे काय झालं? आपली नेहमी 12-13 तरी असतातच. आज काय झालं?
तर आज कमी आहेत खूप.
हो, कमी आहे. आणि मी जर टाइम चेंज केला, मला संध्याकाळी बाहेर जायचं होतं. मग मिस झालं असतं ना आपला क्लास म्हणून घेतला. ओके, फाईन. चालेल, हरकत नाही. स्टार्ट. टेल मी.
Ma'am, actually, I have 2 points. Can I tell the both?
ओके, टेल.
Okay. First point for separation by distillation method. For separation of for separation of solutes from the solution, the method of distillation is used.
हां.
First point for separation of separating funnel. For separation of two immiscible liquids, the method of separating funnel is used.
व्हेरी गुड.
Second point for separation by distillation method. Heat is given during this separation, and separation by separating funnel, heat is not given during this process.
I agree, but heat is not the you require heating for distillation. Whereas here you do not require heating. Giving out heat means your substance is giving out heat. Do you understand that? Here we are.
Ma'am, may I?
One moment. Let me just complete. I'll give you a chance. Only let me complete what she has said. She has given very nice points. I really appreciate. पण एक लक्षात ठेवा आपण डिस्टिलेशनच्या वेळेला आपण हीट करतो बरोबर आपण द सबस्टन्स डझंट गिव्ह हीट हे कळलं ना सबस्टन्स आपल्याला हीट देत नाहीये बाहेर देर आर टू काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन एक्झोथर्मिक आणि एंडोथर्मिक सो हिअर ड्युरिंग दॅट टाइम वी आर हीटिंग द सबस्टन्स ओके सो वी आर सप्लाइंग हीट separation by separating funnel is a normal room temperature you can do it at room temperature okay that was my point yes Gaurav go ahead and then Mansi I'll come to you okay
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Gaurav tell me
Ma'am, separation by distillation, it is based on the difference in the boiling points of two liquids.
wonderful
Separating by separating funnel, it is based on the different in the density of two liquids.
lovely wonderful very good nice
Thank you,
nice.
ma'am.
Yeah yes Mansi you can also tell now nice I'm very happy all are doing it very nicely tell me Mansi
Can you hear me?
yes we can hear you
Separation by distillation. This method is used for separation of solid from the solution.
huh.
And separation by funnel. This is used for the separation to immiscible liquids.
But that Siley had told right at the beginning. Siley started with this point.
Miss,
Huh?
can I tell the example then?
Okay, tell us the example. That can be one point.
Separation by distillation example: separation of salt and water from salt solution.
Okay,
Separation by funnel example: separation of water and kerosene from mixture of kerosene and water.
wonderful. छान, मस्त. अजून कोणाला काय निधीला काहीतरी सांगायचं आहे. सो निधी व्हॉट वॉज युअर तुला काय बोलायचं आहे ह्याच्यावरती हा सांग.
Separation by distillation. For separation of solute from the solution, the method of distillation is used.
नो
Separate,
नाही मला नाही कळलं काय झालं कम अगेन प्लीज.
separation of distillation. For separation of solutes from the solution, the method of distillation is used.
ओके
Separation by separating funnel. For separation of two immiscible liquid, the method of separating funnel is used.
इमिसिबल but immiscible is not miscible म्हणजे मिक्स होणार आहे immiscible म्हणजे नॉन पण एक व्हॉट आय वॉन्ट टू टेल यू ऑल इज की तुम्ही दुसरा काय सांगतो ते ऐका वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू रिपीट द पॉइंट्स कळलं ना आपला वेळ त्याच्यातच जातो आपण बोलतो त्याच्यात अजून वेळ जातो आणि सेकंडली आपण जेव्हा तोच पॉइंट रिपीट करतो त्याला अर्थ नाही ना सायलीने ऑलरेडी आपल्याला हा फर्स्ट पॉइंट सांगितला मग मानसीने पुन्हा सांगितलं आणि निधी यू आर अगेन टेलिंग इट सो 3 टाइम्स द सेम पॉइंट इफ यू हॅव अनदर पॉइंट देन यू टेल ओके कळलं का गौरवने कसं वेगळं थोडं सांगितलं आपल्याला पॉइंट सो आपल्याला नवीन नवीन पॉइंट्स हवेत सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनी न्यू पॉइंट्स देन अदरवाइज देर इज नो पॉइंट इन टेलिंग द सेम पॉइंट अगेन अँड अगेन करेक्ट so but anyways good very good I'm very happy all of you are thinking nicely okay shall we go to the next question
Ma'am, I have one more.
okay answer can you mute because due to okay fine yes I will mute okay so it is echo yetoy ka माझ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये fine okay
No,
Wait.
oh, I'll just mute myself good thank you
ma'am, can I tell the difference?
yes tell the difference I'm muting myself when I mute myself you all understand that you all can talk
Okay, ma'am. So in a method of distillation, we observe that the solution of the solution is being separated, whereas in the method of separation using separating funnel, there is a mixture which is being separated. And miss, I observed something in this that in method of separation using separating funnel, there are two liquids where one liquid is heavier than the other liquid. And in method of distillation, there are two things which can get dissolved and form a solution.
okay so here it is miscible and immiscible you're talking about, which Nidhi said just now. And another thing is Gaurav also told us the same point. It depends upon the density, and here he told that it depends upon the difference in the boiling point. So in one word, he had done it. But so the gist of all of what you have told is that one is the separation by differences in the two miscible liquids in case of distillation or solid liquid, and in case of your separating funnel immiscible liquids. Now in this case you have boiling point difference in the first case by distillation method, whereas in the second case it will be in the second case it is differences in the densities. Okay, very good, very nice. So all of you have liked the chapter. Anyways, now let's go to the last question, and today let's start with the last chapter what we have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now let me talk. Write answers to the following question in your own words. How are the components in your own words? How are the components of mixture separated by simple method? So here, what do you want to put in?
Can I tell?
You can tell.
Filtering means question. How are components of the mixture separated by simple methods? Answer. Filtering or stirring used for separating solid from liquid. Second point. Shifting used for separating solid or various sizes. The larger particles and smaller particles can be separated out. Third point. Picking by this method a substance that are not needed are separated out. Fourth point, combing with a magnet, the mixture that contains iron particles is combined with a magnet to separate the iron particles from it.
Very good, very good. Now tell me, how did you get the answer? This chapter was done in school, so you are getting it, or you have find the answer?
Teacher, because this lesson is taught in school.
Okay, okay. So they have done this already. Okay, fine, fine. else wants to add something over here?
Ma'am, may I?
Miss, may I?
Let us give Siley a chance, Gaurav, and then you do that. Okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, Mansi told us mine is also a bit same like her, but only it is a bit different in some words and here and there. So, Miss, I will start. Answer. There are various methods to separate the mixture. Some of these are used in our daily life, such as turning or which is also known as filtering, sifting, picking, sorting, winnowing, combing with magnets, and sublimation. So, filtering or stoning. To separate an insoluble substance from the solution, we use the method of filtering. For example, filtration of a muddy water. Sifting. Sifting is done to separate solids of various size. The large particles and the smaller particles can be separated by sifting. For example, picking out small rocks or stones from rice. Then picking and sorting. By this method, a substance that are needed or not needed are separated out. Miss, it is when wheat is sifted for removing the dust. Winnowing. The substances which are lighter in weight and those that are unwanted are removed from the mixture. The grains in farm are particularly cleaned by the process of winnowing. In this process of winnowing, the grain is thrown from a height by which the lighter particles are flowed away by the air. Combing with a magnet. In this method is mainly used for an adulterated substance. If there is adulteration of selenium with iron, the magnet is combed through it for removing these iron particles. The mixture that contain iron particles is specially combed by a magnet.
very nice, wonderful answer, very good. But so now I want to, Gaurav, you can start with the next answer. Before that, homework. This was homework itself. I had told that we'll discuss it in the class because so that everybody comes to know. Now I want to know that this chapter is already done. How many other chapters have been done in your college, school? The others also they have started. How does it go?
Here,
Yes,
up
ma'am.
to 18 been covered. Up to lesson number 18, it has been covered.
Miss, my exam is now. Now exam for lessons are 11th, 12th and 18th, 17th.
Oh, 17, 18. I think we haven't done, we have to do one chapter, last one, I suppose. So that I will do. Okay.
Lesson number 16, natural resources
Huh.
lesson.
That is the one we have to. So that's not done in school, right? Or that's
Yes, ma'am, that is not done in schools.
oh.
It
What
is
about
done in my
you have? It is done in Mansi school also.
Miss, not done in our school.
Not done. Mansi.
Yes, ma'am, it's not done in our school also.
Good. We'll do it. We'll do it. Okay. Now, Gaurav, start with the answer of the next question.
Yes, ma'am, there's second one, no? Which elements, metals and non-metals, compound and mixture do we use in our day-to-day life? Example of mixture we use in our daily life are lemon and water, sugar and milk, salt and water, cereal and milk, cement, air, etc. Example of compound we use in our daily life are salt, sugar, baking soda, vinegar, ethanol, etc. Example of element we use in our daily life are aluminium, copper, iron, silver, gold, etc.
Very nice. But how? See, this answer can be very long one. We use so many compounds. We use so many metals. We use so many. I don't know how. What specifically told in your school that how many you should be explaining. अरे तुम्हाला किती एक्झाम्पल्स द्यायला सांगितले आहेत कारण ह्याचे उत्तर काही ठराविक नाहीये मी काही सांगू शकते मानसी काही सांगू शकते सायली सांगू शकते गौरव यू हॅव ऑलरेडी सेड निधी पण वेगळं सांगू शकते. हे सगळेजण प्रत्येक जण आपापल्या ह्याच्यामधलं लिहू शकतो, बरोबर. तर तुम्हाला 4 to 5 एक्झाम्पल्स द्यायला सांगितलंय. ओके, येस. सायली, यू वॉन्टेड टू टॉक. येस, व्हॉट इज इट?
Miss, in our school, they have told us to give the examples which are means daily used and which are familiar to everyone. And Miss, can I tell some examples of non-metal metalloids and metals?
Wonderful, go ahead.
Okay, Miss, non-metal can be hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and all halogens and all noble gases. Then
Halogens.
halogens.
Correct.
Then metalloids can be boron, silicon, then arsenic, like antimony, and then tel tellurium.
Tellurium. Okay.
Means
Teacher, can I also tell?
gold, silver, copper, iron, and potassium and sodium.
Okay. Fine. Good. Very good.
Teacher, can I also tell? Mansi?
Mansi, you tell it. Nidhi also wants to tell. Just tell two examples. See, this is unending list. So let us go ahead fast now. Okay. Fine. Tell.
Okay, ma'am. Metals are iron, gold, and silver. Non-metals are carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen. Compounds are water and salt and etc. etc. Mixture, tea, coffee, etc.
Very good. Nidhi, you want one example or one or two examples, and the others are very quiet. Arya, I can understand. Not Arya, I mean her brother is there, but Vedika, you all don't talk. Vaibhav and
Ma'am, may I?
Gaurav, 8 minutes. Let you started with this, right? So now let Nidhi wants to answer. Again, you don't go for the same question. Yeah, Nidhi, answer the question.
I want to tell question 3.
Want to tell question 3. Okay. So let us go to question 3 now. Gaurav, you have anything besides new something what you wanted to tell before we go to
No, ma'am, I was going to tell the question number 3 answer only.
Okay, so let Nidhi start now, and then if you want to add something, you all can add. Okay, let's go to question number 3.
Miss, you are mute.
I know that's the problem. What happens? Fine. Let me just where in everyday life, where and for what purpose do we use centrifugation? Fine. So now let Nidhi start with it because she wrote there, and if there is something else we need, then others can also add. Okay.
Can I tell, Miss?
Go ahead, Nidhi.
Use of centrifuge machine is never done in our common housework. By using method of centrifugation, the particles of smaller size are separated due to centrifugal force. Based on this principle, we use stirrer for making buttermilk from yogurt. The stirrer helps to separate particles of butter from the suspension of the buttermilk. Due to centrifugal force, the particles of butter aggregate and are thus easily removed.
Very good, Nidhi. But you started with the answer of the question as in our everyday life. Do we use or we do not use? What was your answer there? सुरुवात कशी केली बाळ तू?
Use of centrifuge machine is never done in our common housework.
Use of centrifugal machine, but whatever example you told is a everyday आपण ताक घुसळून लोणी काढतो हे एक्झाम्पल होतं बरोबर. आणि ते स्टरर होतं. ते स्टरर म्हणतात बटर मिल्क सस्पेन्शन हे शब्द आहेत हा, ते एकदा लक्षात घे. आणि स्टरर म्हणजे आपण जे घुसळतो. येस गौरव, आय विल कम टू यू अँड देन आय गो टू मानसी. यू हॅव सेड येस. But let me just complete. So that use of centrifugation machine is not done very correct, but instead of that we use similar kind of the stirrer in case of churning out butter from बटरमिल्क एवढं तू सांगू शकतेस. व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी करेक्ट. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी. येस, you also want to tell. Okay, wait, let Gaurav tell, then we'll just go to the,
Ma'am,
I'll give all of you a chance. Yes, Gaurav, tell.
ma'am, in that centrifugation, that question, we have to tell the definition of the centrifugation also.
uh, have they asked over here? They have just said what, where, sorry, in everyday life, where and for what purpose do we use centrifugation? They haven't asked you what is centrifugation and where do you
Okay,
use.
ma'am.
Okay, so if extra, don't write. In case if you're completing the paper and if you have time, then maybe you can go ahead and write. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. We
fine.
use the centrifugation for the following process in our day-to-day life, daily life: drying of wet clothes in spin tub of a washing machine, extraction of DNA for forensing, an experimental process, separating the blood components in the medical science.
Very nice, very nice. Now Mansi has suggested a solution that which I am normally I prefer it that way. Keep one question to one student, but then when you all say I want to say, then I just don't want to stop you people, you know. So you all decide की परत परत तेच असेल तर म्हणून मी सांगते परत रिपीट करू नका, वेळ जातो आपला. आता जे काही नवीन एक्झाम्पल झाले म्हणजे आता निधीनी बटर मिल्कचं सांगितलं, गौरव हॅज टोल्ड अस सम न्यू एक्झाम्पल्स विच आर टोटली डिफरंट. One is washing machine. That is a brilliant example. Then DNA, we have genetic components. म्हणजे जसे आपले आपले काय म्हणता येईल जीन्स जसे एका जनरेशन मधनं पुढे जातात दुसऱ्या, तर फोरेन्सिक्स ह्याच्यामध्ये सायन्सेस म्हणजे जे CID वगैरे तुम्ही बघत असाल पूर्वी सिरियल, तर त्याच्यामध्ये जसं ओळखण्यासाठी वगैरे जे ज्या हे आहेत त्याच्या तुम्हाला मेनी अ टाइम्स ब्लड कंपोनंट्स या you require a separation. Okay, fine. Siley, you tell that you have a new one, correct?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, go ahead, tell.
Miss, the examples for the example of centrifugal force can be a mixer which grinds all the spices, then the fan which moves and distributes the air everywhere, then the wheel uh, where we can also talk about the windmill or the car wheel.
This was said in your school?
No, ma'am. I was thinking about it and I got it.
No, mixer is not something. Mixer is grinding it. It is not separating the this. See, separation by force. आता वॉशिंग मशीन मध्ये कपडे फिरवून पाणी सेपरेट केलं जातं. देर इज अ फोर्स ओव्हर देअर. DNA मध्ये म्हणजे जसं टर्बिड मिक्सचर असतं ना, दॅट सेपरेशन. व्हॉट यू गेव एक्झाम्पल्स वर जनरल लाईक ग्राइंडिंग मिक्सर मध्ये बारीक बारीक केलं जातं particles, but I have my own doubts with respect to that. Force is not applied there. It's a grinder. Okay, there you don't use it. Okay, so let us go to the next one. That is fourth question. Yes, Mansi, you start with it. Correct. Where are the methods of separation by distillation and by separating funnel use? Okay, fine.
Can I tell?
Please go ahead.
Where are the methods of separation by distillation and by separating funnels used? Why? First, first point, distillation method is used in water purification process to remove the varieties of minerals and other impurities which are harmful to us. Second point, separation of different funnel from crude oil. Third point, separating funnel is used to separate the mixture of water and oil. Fifth point, separating funnel is used in extraction of iron from its ore. The lighter slag from the funnel can be removed on olden iron can be collected at the bottom.
Very good. Fine.
Miss, can I add?
You want to add? Okay, fine. Go ahead. Add.
Okay. Distillation. Distillation is the separation method used to separate impurities or dissolved salt from the solution. We use distillation method to separate impurities from the solution.
Hello. I think her range, no voice. I think she is having some
Network problem.
network problem issues. Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Tell.
Yes, ma'am. Distillation and separating funnel are used in separating of liquid mixture. Uh, it is based on the difference in the boiling point of two liquid. Distillation can either be simple or fractional. The simple distillation can be used for liquid, which is used difference between the boiling point, whereas fractional distillation is used in case of liquids which have close boiling points. Separating funnel is used for separating separation. Using separating funnel is used in the case of immiscible liquids. It is based on the difference in density of two liquids. It can be used in separation of oil and water from oil from water, etc. Two different two different types of immiscible oil, etc.
Very good. Very good. Which Mansi had already tell. Now I just want Vedika. You tell the answer. Yes, Mansi. What was your Vedika? You, if you can unmute and if you can talk, that I would appreciate rather than writing it in the chat box. Or you don't want to talk. You feel shy.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? You want to tell the answer? Tell the answer, please.
Yes, ma'am. Distillation is a separation method used to separate impurities or dissolved salt from the solution. By this method, the solute and the solvent are separated for removing salt from seawater. Distillation method is used. This helps in making potable water for seawater.
Very good. Very good. And we can get salt also. Fine. Shall we? This. You are out of the coverage area, I suppose. Some network issue.
Yes, Miss. There
Okay. Sure. Okay. So, do you want to complete your answer fast so that we can go to the next question now? Last one, please. Yeah.
Yes, Miss. I will complete it now.
Yeah.
Miss, can I start?
Start fast.
Distillation is the separation method used to separate impurities or dissolved substance from the solution. This distillation method is used in many coastal areas to separate salt from the seawater and obtain potable water. And third, makes the uh, makes the seawater more useful. Using separating funnel, when two liquid is in a mixture which are immersible with each other are to be separated, we use the separating funnel. This is used in many factories where the green go industry separate the mixture of kerosene or petroleum fluid from the water to reuse the water for many useful resources. Many useful ways.
Wonderful. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, Mansi, your question was separating the dust from rice is an example of separation. That you took it into the first question wherein you told different methods of separation. Okay. Correct. बरोबर आहे तुझं म्हणणं की it is an example of separation, but it is not coming under distillation or any other of these methods which they have asked. पहिल्या जे मेथड मध्ये विनोईंग वगैरे म्हणतो ना आपण त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही घेतलं होतं ऑलरेडी टू सेपरेट आउट द मिक्सचर फ्रॉम आय मीन द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स फ्रॉम द राईस दिस करेक्ट यू आर नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन
So we can try on.
yes say that? I didn't hear it.
Miss, can I tell?
Then it by own that example, because I think that you have to know that separation, so I have written that example.
Correct. It is correct. Yeah. Last one is, which precaution will you take while using methods of
Sir, can I
distillation?
tell?
Ma'am,
Can
may
I
I
tell?
tell?
Miss, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Now, actually, Nidhi had said early, then it was Gaurav, then Mansi. So all of you all tell. See, if I don't tell anybody, then you will feel bad. Okay, so I just want all of you to tell fast. Nidhi, start.
Okay, Miss. In the method of distillation, the entire apparatus should be properly set up. The distillation flash should be carefully heated. The
Condenser, correct.
should be properly cooled. In the separating funnel experiment, care should be taken to well manipulate the stop clock. The magnification stop cock many a time realize the liquids indirectly. The separation of lower phase liquid should be done with precision precision by opening the closing the stop clock.
Yeah, it is stopcock. Stopcock म्हणजे ते जे आपण टोटी सारखं असतं त्याला म्हणतो. You have to be very careful if you do not close the stopcock properly. That is very important point. If you do not close or open it properly, then sometimes the mixture starts getting, I mean, going through the falling down drop wise. जसं आपण नळ नीट नाही बंद केला तर टप 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 पाणी पडत राहतं, तसंच त्या separating funnel मधनं हे होणार आणि will not be able to separate out the mixture. And distillation assembly, as you said, all the things should be tight. They should be airtight or they should be sealed properly. Then only, otherwise your solvent vapors may go out rather than getting collected into the flask. Very correct. Now, who wants to tell? Gaurav wants to
Ma'am,
tell.
may I?
Yeah, Vedika also. All of you all. I'll give you all a chance. Chalo, Gaurav, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Precautions to be used during distillation. The apparatus should be set in a proper manner with with all the components fitted well. Never heat the system that is totally closed from outside outside atmosphere to prevent explosion. Precaution to be used using separating funnel for separation. The funnel should be tightly fixed to the stand in the erect position. The liquid in the funnel should be left undisturbed to allow it to separate.
Very good. Very good. It inadvertent means unknowingly. Inadvertently means unknowingly. Just tell me, who tells you these answers in the school? Your teacher dictates these answers. Hello, Rudra. Why were you late, bacha? Yeah, manipulate. I'll tell you the answer. Now tell me, who gives you these answers? शाळेमध्ये teachers सांगतात तुम्हाला हे answers, dictate केली ती answers.
Ma'am,
Miss,
Yes, ma'am. The half answer miss told because my network issue was there, so half I've written from Google.
Okay. What about you, Mansi, Saili?
Miss, we were taught only half of the chapter. So only when the chapter is done, we have only done the 3 questions from starting, and the rest questions we can see it from the textbook because I have read the whole textbook.
Yeah,
And
very nice, very nice. But I'm just surprised from the. That's fine. That's fine. We missed you, but ठीक है, हरकत नहीं. Ma'am, my teacher gives answer and what is it? Your Vedika, your teacher gives and learn them and understand. Okay, understand them and answer. Okay, teacher is sending digest photo. Acha. Okay. See, what I don't mind you all doing it, digest photo ठीक आहे, पण तुम्हाला समजून घ्यायला पाहिजेत. जर तुम्हाला समजत नसतील त्यातले अर्थ, तर यू आस्क मी. आता मला हिने विचारला माल फंक्शनिंग इज, yeah, when you ask, please ask over here ki asa asa answer आहे. That is the reason why I'm discussing with you people, so that gives information from other books. Very good, very good. That's lovely. That should be the way, but your teacher do like this. Okay, fine. But if your teacher is sending the digest photo, fine. But when you're reading from the digest, also search elsewhere. See, only digest is not good at all. Sometimes yeah. But first understand that. Now you asked the right question. What is malfunctioning? Malfunctioning is not functioning properly. म्हणजे आपण पंखा जर का लावला आणि जर तो चालत नसेल, तर आय वुड से दॅट की हा पंखा इज माल फंक्शनिंग, इट्स नॉट फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपरली. किंवा मिक्सर बिघडला असेल, दॅट इज माल फंक्शनिंग इन द मशीन असं म्हणतो, नॉट फंक्शनिंग. व्हेरी करेक्ट. अँड व्हेरी करेक्ट. ओके. मीन्स इनएडव्हर्टंटली अँड मॅन्युप्युलेट. इनएडव्हर्टंटली म्हणजे चुकून. म्हणजे आता समजा रुद्र आता उशिरा जॉईन झाला, सो ही कॅन राईट मीन्स इनएडव्हर्टंटली आय फॉरगॉट द टायमिंग, म्हणजे चुकून माझ्या लक्षात नाही राहिलं. ही डिडंट डू इट पर्पजली. कळलं? म्हणजे टॅप, आता जो सेपरेटिंग फनेलचा टॅप आहे तो कसा इनएडव्हर्टंटली ओपन राहिला, म्हणजे तुम्ही मुद्दामून नाही केलं. आता किचनचा नळ होता, तो जरा चालू राहिला, या, विदाउट नोईंग, डुईंग अ मिस्टेक, अनोईंगली युआर डुईंग इट. म्हणजे आता घरी सुद्धा आई ओरडली, अरे तू बघ स्वयंपाकघराचा नळ कसा चालू ठेवलाय, then you can always tell her, माझं चुकून झालं, you say, right? So चुकून, correct. So माझं चुकून झालं. So that is inadvertently. Malfunctioning. आणि कुठचा तिसरा शब्द काय होता बाळ? What was that, Mansi, you said? Something she said. And manipulate. Manipulate means, एखाद्या गोष्टीला आपण त्याच्यामध्ये फेरफार करणं, मुद्दामून नाही, चुकून झालं. बरोबर. आपण एखाद्या गोष्टीमध्ये फेरफार करणं म्हणजे आता से हा, म्हणजे रिझल्ट मध्ये सुद्धा यू आर मॅन्युप्युलेटिंग द रिझल्ट. और से सपोजिंग काही असं काम दिलंय विच इज यू आर नॉट युझिंग द करेक्ट मेथड, यू आर युझिंग समथिंग विच इज नॉट एथिकल, विच इज नॉट बरोबर नाहीये. सो यू हॅव मॅन्युप्युलेटेड इट. म्हणजे आता मी तुम्हाला एक काम, म्हणजे त्यांनी, हा करेक्ट झालं, पण मी आता पुढे गेले बाळ. रुद्र, आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मॅन्युप्युलेशन, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इनएडव्हर्टंटली. करेक्ट. सो नाव आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मॅन्युप्युलेशन. म्हणजे आता समजा मी तुम्हाला एखादं काम दिलं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आय सेड की सायलीचे रिझल्ट मला बरोबर वाटतात, तर त्याच्यात समजा आणि कोणीतरी तुम्ही बघितलंय रिझल्ट, अँड देन तुमचे रिझल्ट बरोबर नाहीयेत, समजा तुमचे काही कमी येतात किंवा बरोबर आकडे येत नाही, पण ते सायलीच्या आकड्यांची मिळते जुळते जेव्हा तुम्ही करता, दॅट टाइम यू आर डुईंग अ मॅन्युप्युलेशन. ओके. म्हणजे तुम्हाला रिझल्ट मिळाले पण ते वेगळे आहेत, पण यू आर डुईंग टू गेट इट राईट टू व्हॉट आय हॅव टोल्ड, दॅट इज मॅन्युप्युलेशन. ओके. सो त्याला मॅन्युप्युलेशन म्हणतात. You all can always, you are welcome, you can ask me these questions or something like which you don't understand in the class. Okay. स्कूल मध्ये काही नाही कळलं तरी तुम्ही येऊन मला प्लीज विचारत जा. ओके. वी कॅन ऑलवेज डिस्कस दिस. आवर एम ओव्हर हिअर इज नॉट समथिंग व्हॉट इज, सी, शाळेत शिकवलंय, आपल्याला त्याहून वेगळं आणि चांगलं करायचंय, राईट? म्हणजे त्यात ती जोड मिळेल तुमच्या स्कूलच्या, जिथे ते शिकवतात त्याला तिथे शिकवलेलं मी इथे शिकवलं तर त्याला काही मजा नाही. म्हणजे आय एम गोइंग ॲज पर युअर चॅप्टर, आय एम नॉट चेंजिंग द रूट, बट व्हॉट आय एम ट्राईंग टू टेल यू इज दॅट आय वुड लाईक टू डू समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा फॉर तुमच्यासाठी. ओके. सो व्हॉट एव्हर इफ यू फील की ओके आज आम्हाला हा चॅप्टर शिकवला, अँड देन जेव्हा आपलं समजा कम्प्लीट झालं आणि आपल्याला वेळ असेल, तर यू ऑल कॅन गिव्ह मी सम टॉपिक्स अँड यू ऑल कॅन टेल मी की आपण ह्याच्यावरती डिस्कस करूया, किंवा काहीतरी नवीन मी सांगेन क्लास घेऊन, समथिंग डिफरंट, नॉट इन युअर टॉपिक्स. ओके. सम नोबेल प्राइजेस इन केमिस्ट्री किंवा सम स्टोरीज आय ट्राय टू फाइंड आउट अँड वी कॅन डिस्कस. पण ते नंतर फर्स्ट विल कम्प्लीट अवर लेसन. सो लेट अस गो टू, आपल्याकडे आता फक्त 15 मिनिटं राहिली आहेत. शॅल वी गो टू द न्यू चॅप्टर? रुद्र, वी वर डिस्कसिंग द क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर्स. And good, you came in time. You're not missing anything. Very good. Nice. So let us go to the new chapter, which is our last chapter. Fine, fine, fine. This we have done, I suppose. Yes. Natural resources. This was done 9. Haplar राहिलाय मला वाटतं ना. 16 is remaining. And then after that, I think we have done the next one. Or chapter seems to be a big one. Okay. Fine. Let us go to this chapter. It is an interesting chapter, natural resources. What is meant by natural resources? Okay. Give some examples of natural resources. So understand one thing, the name itself tells you natural resources. So anything which you get from nature is called as natural nature, that is natural. They satisfy a variety of our daily needs: soil, stones, minerals, air, water, plants, and animals on the earth are all various kinds of natural resources. Okay, so everything, म्हणजे आपल्याला कधीतरी वाटतं दगडाचा काय उपयोग किंवा ह्याचा काय उपयोग, तर असं नाहीये. त्याला काही ना काहीतरी प्रत्येकाला उपयोग आहे, ते आपल्याला मदत करतात, and those are obtained from the nature, so they are natural resources. Okay. Then I think this was done in your earlier standards. I just do not know what is meant by lithosphere. Anybody knows there what is lithosphere?
Lithosphere means
Can I tell, Mansi?
Ma'am, can I tell?
ma'am,
Yes,
land.
it is land. Okay, Mansi, you have any other answer than this?
Yes.
Yes.
The lithosphere is earth crust and it is very hard.
Very good. Anybody else? I think Vedika was there. Yeah, Nidhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
The upper surface layer of the earth and hard crust beneath it is called a lithosphere.
Wonderful, wonderful. So I got 3 answers which are same, but you have put it in such a nice way. Very good. She said in a simple way, land. Then Mansi, she changed it in a very nice way. And then Vedika. Yes, Rudra, natural resources are resources that exist. What was that? That exist without any action of mankind. Okay, very good, very good. Correct.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
we can call lithosphere as Earth also, no?
Yes, you can call lithosphere as Earth also, but Earth also, then there would be some amount of atmosphere. Okay, fine. You said land, right? But
Yes, miss. I said land, soil, and earth.
correct.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Correct. Okay, fine. So, natural resources in the Earth's crust. The Earth's lithosphere is made up of land and a hard crust beneath it. The lithosphere is not homogeneous, but it is made up of many types of rocks. Resources in the Earth's crust include mineral ore, mineral oil, and other fuels, rocks, water, elements, etc. So, whatever is there on the land can be included in the lithosphere. Okay. Here, beneath the also Earth's crust, resources in the Earth's crust include minerals, ores, mineral oil, other fuels, rocks, water, elements, etc. I hope that is clear because you all have given me the answer. Now, next is metals are obtained from their ore by extraction and purification. Impurities of sand and soil in an ore are called as gangue. Okay, so metals are obtained from their ore, that is the minerals, and then by extraction and purification. So there is a method by which you take out, म्हणजे gold जसं आपल्याला काही सहज असं मिळत नाही. It is always having some impurities. It could be having copper, it could be having silver, and it could bauxite. Now, aluminum is obtained from bauxite. So, it is a composition of 2 or 3 compound. Out of that, the most important part would be the maximum percentage would be of the metal which would be desired, and the remaining becomes as a gang, or it is also containing some impurities of soil and sand, and that is separated from it. There also some amount of the metal would be there which can be extracted later on. पण मेजर मेटल काढल्यानंतर जे काही इम्प्युरिटीज राहतात त्याला गँग म्हणतात. Now coming to minerals and ores. Mineral wealth has an important place among natural resources. Minerals are obtained by various processes taking place in the environment. So mineral wealth is important. So आता काय झालंय की नाही की माणूस ना कसलाच विचार करत नाहीये. This chapter is for you people to bring in the awareness. See, जे आपण आता राहतोय जगतोय, it is not our, this earth is not our property. Yeah, this earth is actually, we need to give it from our generation to the next generation. So whatever the resources are over here need to be taken care of properly. त्याच्यामध्ये वाढवायला पाहिजे. ते कमी करून हापापल्यासारखं खेचून घेऊन काढता कामा नये. आता आपल्याला बिल्डिंग उभारायच्यात म्हणून वाळू खणली जाते. त्यांनी ना जमिनीची धूप वाढते. बँक्स म्हणजे रिव्हर बँक्स आहेत का हे तिथे मग फ्लडिंग होतं आणि वाटेल तशी वाळू काढली गेली आहे, मातीतला गाळ काढला जातो आणि मग पावसाळ्यामध्ये गावाच्या गावं वाहून जातात, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये भरपूर प्रमाणामध्ये पाणी वाढतंय. आता असं होतंय की पोल्सवरचं जे आईस बर्फ आहे ते सुद्धा आता वितळतात, बिकॉज यू सी ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग होतंय. त्याच्यामुळे असं म्हटलं जात आहे की आता थोड्या वर्षात म्हणजे बाय द टाइम तुम्ही साधारण तरुण व्हाल किंवा थोडे जरा मोठे व्हाल 30-35 इयर्स, यू डू नॉट नो व्हॉट विल बी हॅपनिंग. काही म्हणतात की त्यावेळेला पाण्याची पातळी, येस ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग इज देअर, पाण्याची पातळी वाढणार आणि त्याच्याने काही म्हणजे मुंबई सारखी बेट, मुंबई, मालदीव्स अँड ऑल दीज, मॉरिशस, दीज आर द यु नो ही जी हे आहेत बेट, ती पाण्याखाली जाणार. सो तुम्हाला हे करण्यासाठी यू शुड अंडरस्टँड की हे जे आपल्या या वन मोमेंट लेट मी कम्प्लीट, देन यू कॅन आस्क मी द डाऊट. आपल्या ज्या हातामध्ये ह्या गोष्टी म्हणजे ज्या आहेत त्याचं आपण वाढवायला पाहिजे, त्यांना आपण सांभाळायला पाहिजे, जोपासायला पाहिजे, अँड देन वी गिव्ह इट टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. इट इज नॉट अवर प्रॉपर्टी दॅट यू कॅन यूज इट द वे. वी आर हिअर ऑन a temporary basis. So when you're there on a temporary basis, you just need to protect it, you just need to take good care of it and then transfer it from one generation to another generation. Yes, Rudra, tell me, then I'll talk to Saili. Yeah, tell me, Rudra, what is it? Aliens, I do not know. I really do not know whether aliens are real or not, but let's not come to that topic. We can talk about it later on, जेव्हा आपलं पोर्शन संपेल तेव्हा, कारण आता भलतंच कडे जाईल, राईट? ओके, फाईन. सो टेल मी, yeah, somebody wanted to ask me a question. Yeah, Saili had doubt of Shivani. Yes, Mansi, what is it?
Ma'am, these aliens are imaginary. Means they are imaginary. The aliens are not real.
Okay, let us not talk about, I don't want to open that topic. If I start with it, then it will be everybody wants to tell something or the other. You all must have read. मग ते भूताकडे जाईल, मग खरीच भूत असतात का वगैरे, तर आता आपल्याला सध्या ते नाही बोलायचं. या लेट अस टॉक अबाउट, मला सगळेच जण घाबरवून टाकतील 4-5 भूताच्या गोष्टी सांगून. ओके, फाईन. येस, सायली, यू वॉन्ट टू टेल मी समथिंग?
Yes, miss, I wanted to tell about global warming.
Go.
Miss, I can tell.
I'm waiting for you. Tell. We are waiting for you. Go.
Okay, ma'am, it is miss, many scientists are telling that in this global warming, as the North Pole is going on, the ice state is going on to forming in liquid state as the ice is melting. So there will be much amount of water in that time. So instead of living on land, 30% of the people will go underground. Like they need to build the houses at the ground level of the sea, which where there will be a atmospheric tunnel around it, around a house. Like the atmospheric tunnel will give the atmosphere of the oxygen, where there will be oxygen cylinders in it.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Hopefully it should be there that way, but otherwise the main concern is that lot amount of these ice is melting due to global warming, and global warming is also not good with respect to all the it's again a pollution, large amount of, yeah. What happened? Sally is giving information of higher level. Very true. She is giving information of higher. She keeps reading, and at home, and that's what she said. That her mother is also helping her out. So that's nice. You all also can increase your knowledge by reading extra. Fine. Let us go
Yes.
ahead. Okay. Good. Good. Now coming to, we have 5 minutes remaining. So let us continue. Mineral wealth has an important place among natural. Minerals are formed by various processes taking place in the environment. Now, how are minerals getting formed? The rocks on the earth are mainly made up of minerals. These minerals can be obtained by mining. Mining म्हणजे खाणीतनं जाऊन कोळसा खाण, सोन्याची खाण, ह्याच्यामध्ये हे खालच्या अनेक दबून दबून ज्या मिनरल्स आर गेटिंग क्रिएटेड. आणि फार पूर्वीपासनं म्हणजे when earth was made, the lava and all that magnum, everything which was there in the earth's crust, it started getting cooled slowly, and therefore different types of rocks were formed, and along with those these minerals are formed. Only a few metals, for example gold, silver, copper, platinum, bismuth, occur in the free state in nature. A majority of the metals occur in the form of compounds. Minerals that contain a high proportion of metal are called as ores. So if that mineral contains large amount of the, say, bauxite contains more amount of aluminium, so it will be the ore of aluminium. Ore is something from which you take out the metal. It is economical to obtain the metal from ores. The properties of minerals become clear from their characteristic color, luster, hardness, shape, cleavage, or fracture and streak. So all these are the ones which give us the how much amount of the metal could be there, and it designs, or it decides the properties of the mineral, because what amount, how much percentage. Say for example, we find that mineral may contain aluminium, but along with it, it may contain some other different metals also, but major is aluminium. So aluminium, from its luster, color, that malleability, ductility, these are the properties of the metal. So those metals, they the color, the luster of the mineral will be decided by the percentage of the metal which is there maximum, which has more percentage of that metal, that will decide the color, luster, hardness, shape of that material, cleavage, fracture, which is called as the mineral. Okay, so this is something about the natural resources what we are going to talk about. Now let us go ahead. This is mining. हे जे खाणीमध्ये जाऊन खाली जमिनीच्या आतमध्ये केलं जातं, त्या तिथे you have these स्मॉल वॅगन्स, जसे रेल्वेचे रूळ असतात तसे असतात, कारण इकडून माल दुसरीकडे न्यायला दे रिक्वायर दिस. मग ह्याच्यामध्ये ते ओर घालून नेलं जातं. मग इट इज टेकन टू द प्युरिफिकेशन सेंटर वेअर देर आर प्रोसेसेस. मग प्युअर मेटल जे मिळतं, दॅट नीड्स टू बी again repurified. So all that processes required large amount of investment. And so म्हणजे खाणीपासनं जिथे तुमचं मेटल प्युरिफाय करतात तिथपर्यंत ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन हवं. म्हणजे ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन म्हणजे ज्याच्यात आपल्याला दळणवळणासाठी हवं. मग रेल्वे लाईन्स असतात, बसेस, ट्रक्स असतात. सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो इट्स अ बिग वर्क, नॉट अ स्मॉल वर्क. Okay, so now coming to how are minerals formed. Now we are talking about natural resources, what you find in the earth's crust. Okay, so here you are that how are minerals formed? So minerals are formed from the magma in the earth's crust. म्हणजे जेव्हा आतमध्ये जो हे असतं ना with magma that is and the lava from the eruption of volcanoes. म्हणजे जेव्हा earth form झालं त्यावेळेला सगळं अगदी गरम गरम होतं आतमध्ये जो असं लिक्विड्स होते आणि मग ते हळूहळू हळूहळू थंड होत गेले आणि मग त्याच्यानंतर हे ऍटमॉस्फिअर फॉर्म झालंय इनिशियली खूप गोळा होता हा अर्थ विच वॉज नॉट अ सुटेबल प्लेस फॉर लाईफ टू बी इन अनेक वर्षांतर हळूहळू ऑक्सिजन तयार झालं नायट्रोजन तयार झालं देन some amount of the acids, amino acids, nitrogen, which is responsible for life, all those. So, oxygen, nitrogen, and then ammonia, hydrogen, all these were then started coming in and life started. But त्याच्या minerals are formed from magma in the earth's crust and the lava from the eruption of volcanoes. When they cool and get transformed into crystals. So हे वेगवेगळे crystals आपल्याला दाखवले ह्यांना मॅग्नेटाईट म्हणतात ह्यांना मायका मायका म्हणजे अभ्रक हे तुम्ही कदाचित बघितलं असेल जी चकचकीत असा दगड पातळ मिळतो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज मायका ओके then we'll just complete this table and then it is already 6 o'clock. I'm just slightly taking your 5 minutes घेते मी. Minerals are formed when solid crystals remain behind after the process of evaporation. This is also another method. One method is from the lava of the earth's crust. Another is the minerals are formed when solid crystals remain behind after the process of evaporation. So बऱ्याचदा पाण्यामध्ये खूप सारे क्षार असतात आणि ते क्षार नंतर खाली राहतात जेव्हा पाणी तिथून निघून जातं त्याला सुद्धा मिनरल्स फॉर्म होतात सो दीज आर सम एक्झाम्पल जिप्सम आणि हेलाइट ही जी दोन आहेत ती मिनरल्स पाणी इव्हॅपोरेट झाल्याने झाले minerals get transformed from one form into another due to large changes in temperature and pressure. जेव्हा डायमंड किंवा हे कोळसा जो असतो ना त्याचं अल्टिमेटली डायमंड इज नथिंग बट इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन तर कोळसा किंवा ग्राफाईट म्हणजे आपण शिस म्हणतो ना पेन्सिल लिहितो तर हे दोन कार्बनचेच वेगवेगळे फॉर्म्स आहेत त्यामुळे तुम्हाला कळेल की डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन अँड ग्राफाईट इज द सॉफ्टेस्ट फॉर्म म्हणजे तुम्ही शिसा आहे ते तोडू शकता डायमंड तुम्हाला तोडता येणार नाही इट इज वन ऑफ द हार्डेस्ट मटेरियल ऑन अर्थ विच कॅन बी यूज टू कट ग्लास म्हणजे जे तुम्ही काचकाम करतात ना खिडक्या वगैरे त्यांच्याकडे एक पेन असतं बघा आणि त्या पेन मध्ये ना डायमंड लावलेला असतो म्हणजे त्यांनी ना असं त्यांनी ओरखडा काढला ना की ती काच तुटते कधी बघितलं असेल तर बघा तो काचवाला हातोडा मारत नाही हातोडा मारल्यावर काच खळकन फुटेल तो काय करतो पेन्सिल किंवा पट्टी ठेवतो त्याला आकार जो हवा असेल तो काचेचा त्याच्यावरती एक पेन असतो त्या पेननी तो असं खेचतो म्हणजे आपण जसं डायमंड ब्रेक्स ग्लास इट इज यूज टू येस सायली आय विल गिव्ह यू अ चान्स तर त्यावेळेला काय होतं तो जेव्हा ते पेननी अशी लाईन मारतो आणि तेवढे तुम्ही स्लोली तो टॅप करेल आणि ते टॅप केल्यानंतर ती काच तिथून दुभंगते किंवा ती तुटते विदाउट क्रॅकिंग so therefore diamond is let me just complete and then I'll give you a chance to tell okay Saili yeah then coming to the so these two are formed by pressure म्हणजे इतके वर्ष एकावर एक थर होत गेले पृथ्वी जेव्हा ती नुकतीच जन्माला आली होती आणि त्याच्यानंतर तिच्यामध्ये जे ओलं जे सगळे प्रकारचे रस होते ते वितळणारे ते हळूहळू थंड होत गेले आणि मग त्यांच्यावरती जो दबाव आला आणि त्याच्याने सुद्धा काही मिनरल्स तयार झाले some living organisms produce inorganic materials for example conches shells etc आपण शंख शिंपले म्हणतो ना they are nothing but minerals formed for the protection of the body म्हणजे आपण काही गोष्टी आपण खातो पण आतमध्ये शिंपले किंवा आपलं कोलंबी खातो तर त्याच्यामध्ये वरचं ते कव्हर असतं ना that is their shell which is made from some calcium and that is also a part of that is a mineral but it is used to protect this we'll take next time and we'll continue okay so now yes Saili wanted to tell us something and then we can end the session yes tell us Saili
No, miss, when you told that by evaporation there are many metals formed like helenite and gypsum. Miss, also by heating the sugar solution we can get crystals of sugar.
Yes, very correct. Similarly, yes, similarly, you can get the minerals which are formed after the copper sulfate. Now, copper sulfate is water soluble. If you remove water from that, you will get that salt copper sulfate. Yes,
Yes.
what you are eating is correct. Somebody wrote something that एक minute ना कोणी दिलं? Rudra, yeah, you eat what type called as kalव्याचे गोळे, kalve. Okay, yes, barnacles, correct. They are called as kalva, correct. Very true. Okay.
And ma'am,
Yeah.
the sugar crystal also, when much amount of sugar is, sugar solution is heated, we can also we can also shape that sugar crystal into a diamond shape.
Yes, you get different shapes of the crystals which are very true, very true. Okay, fine.
Miss,
So
I have mica present now.
you have mica present. Wonderful, wonderful. Can you show us?
Yes,
Show us.
Miss, just a
Okay. Khadi sakhar, correct. Khadi sakhar, very true. He has
Miss,
mica.
I don't know it is mica or not, but I have like that only some stone.
Okay, show us what is mica. अभ्रक म्हणतात ना त्याला. हा.
Can I on the camera?
Yes, you can. We are almost done, no? So you can on the camera. Okay, true. Go ahead.
Can you pin him so we can also see it?
Yes, yes. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. हे मायका वाटतंय तुला दिस इज गारगोटी सारखं वाटतं ऑफकोर्स इट्स अ मिनरल बट आय डोंट नो वेदर इट्स मायका इट इज गारगोटी सारखं वाटलं मला ते छान आहे पण इट्स अ मिनरल गुड यू हॅव वन थोडं फक्त हे कर कॅमेराने ना जरा हे होतंय
ब्लर दिसतंय ना मॅम?
ब्लड दिसतंय हो ब्लड दिसतंय इट्स अ मिन हा नाव थोडंसं हा ओके येस ब्युटिफुल काहीतरी मिनरल आहे बाबा ते त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे ते बघायला पाहिजे बट मायका आर शीट्स अरे वा ह्याच्याकडे बरंच काय काय साहित्य आहे इकडे गुड नाईस फॉर
Miss, ते
प्लांट
मी ट्री मध्ये ठेवले सगळे stone.
ओके ओके लवली लवली मस्त गुड गुड थँक्यू
Mama said it was looking like halite.
It was looking like halite. Very correct. Very correct. Even I thought so. It was looking like halite. Very true. Chala. Okay. So without now, I have already taken a lot of your time. Already झाले 6-5 झाले 7 झाले. So thank you very much for adjusting to this new time, and I'm happy. So next time we'll meet. Okay. Chalo. Take care.
Ma'am, homework.
Homework I don't know. I've just completed it and we have solved the questions. आता homework काय देऊ तुम्हाला सांगा. See, homework is not something which is not. We all can read and ask me the questions. त्याच्यामध्ये homework आता मी I don't know.
Miss,
We have solved all the questions. You know them by heart. So if you all want to do something extra and give it to me, I'm ready for it.
teacher,
Miss,
you
we can information about
to
diamond.
write.
Difficult words, we can ask it.
Just tell me now because I have already solved your exercise. So if you want something else, I always tell you keep reading something extra आणि मला येऊन विचारा we can discuss that. पण होमवर्क असं मला काही समजत नाही काय द्यायचं का ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस झाले मी त्यातले होमवर्कला देऊ शकले असे बट पुन्हा पुन्हा तेच व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन डिस्टिलेशन आणि
Okay, ma'am.
ओके ओके रुद्रा यू वर टेलिंग समथिंग
Miss, we can collect information about various diamonds.
Very good. You all can collect the information about some minerals and we can discuss it into the next class. Okay. Or we are all of you read something new related to your topic and come and that also I can give you some time to discuss. Yes.
Ma'am, we can also read the chapter and miss here at the page number 105 there is given my friend the internet. So by that link we can see various pictures of minerals. It is
Exactly. That's what I want. Exactly. That's what I keep telling you. मला तुम्ही जास्त वाचा, जास्त बघा सगळं आजूबाजूला. नुसतं पुस्तकात दिलंय ते नको. ओके. I hope now you're following it. I'm enjoying it. Good.
I have typed about red blood diamond in the chat box. You have not seen it.
Sorry. Punasang?
Miss, I have typed about the red blood diamond in the chat box. You have not seen it.
You have insight. Okay, okay. We'll discuss that next time. Okay.
Ma'am, he is telling that he has typed something about red blood diamond in the chat box.
He has typed. Okay.
And he is saying that you have not seen it.
I haven't seen, seriously. Hmm. Okay, yes, yes. Sorry, I didn't. So it is called red blood diamond because while obtaining that diamond, one's blood is going. Red blood diamond, people die because it's very inside the ground. Okay. Mines. Okay, yes, he's been put in. Fine, fine. I'll try to see if I can find some more information about red blood diamond. All of you all just check out for red blood diamond. मग आपण पुढच्या वेळेला discuss
Okay,
करू.
ma'am.
Ridra has given us a new topic.
Yes.
Good, good, fine. Chalo, bye,
Okay,
bye.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Take care.
Bye,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. You all too stay safe. Bye.
Ma'am, take
Bye, miss.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, bye.
मॅम गेली मॅम मी एकटीच राहिली आता